Reference in C++. In C++, a reference is a type of variable that acts as an alias, or an alternate name, for another variable. When a reference is created, it refers to an existing variable, which means that any changes made to the reference will also affect the original variable. References are often used as function parameters, allowing functions to modify the original values of variables without having to make a copy of the entire object. This can be more efficient than passing objects by value, especially for large objects. To create a reference in C++, the AND symbol is used, followed by the name of the variable being referenced. For example, in this code, y is a reference to x. Any changes made to y will also affect x, and vice versa. It's important to note that references cannot be null or uninitialized, and they cannot be reassigned to refer to a different variable once they are created. Additionally, references cannot be used to refer to temporary objects or literals, as these do not have a memory location that can be referenced. Thanks for watching.